Hey guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a burrito bowl. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we're going to need brown rice, chicken breast, black beans, kernel corn, tomatoes and chilies, Greek yogurt, salsa, paprika, chili powder, a lime, and avocado. Put chicken breasts in a pot, season with your paprika and chili powder, and cook until done. To juice your limes, cut them in half and then cut the tops off. Then place them in your juicer and squeeze all the juice into a bowl. Cook your rice according to instruction, adding your lime juice while cooking. You want the lime juice to absorb into the rice for maximum lime flavor. While the chicken and the rice are cooking, cut your avocado and set it to the side. Once the chicken is done cooking, place it into your stand mixer and shred it. Now it's time to assemble our bowls. First, add your rice. Now add some chicken. Black beans are next. Time for some corn. Tomatoes and green chilies. A little bit of salsa. A few dollops of Greek yogurt. Top with avocado and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Now mix it all up. I hope you enjoy!